See if this unlock gonna work. Let's see if it. Oh, yep. See the switches. I just need a new switch. Look, door unlocked now.
Don't be talking like a drug, nigga. And so fast, man. My shorties never bug, nigga. He be talking.
What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. If you're new to the channel, I would like to welcome you into our family. You feel me? We working on building something special, not only with YouTube, but also trying to build something outside of YouTube too. But before we get started, I need y'all to do me a favor. Go to the last video I posted and then go hit that like button on that video for me. You feel me? It's free, don't cost you nothing. Then once you do that, or you can wait till after this video, go ahead and hit the like button on this video as well. Subscribe to the channel if you're new and turn that post notification bell to all, the way y'all be notified every time I drop. Now, I know y'all seen the title of the video. This video, we're gonna be changing the power lock switches. Now, I don't know if these switches are just bad or if it's some wiring problems that's happening, because I had a dude come look in my window and he was saying it might just be like some wiring going on, not with my wiring, but like he said it might be like a shortage or something to where the windows won't roll up and down fast. But I told him I think it's the window motor, because they're not going up and down fast. You feel me? I don't know, he might be right, I might be right, we never know. So if it is like a shortage or something in these wires, that's like somewhere back here, maybe like somewhere back here. I'm sorry, I was looking at myself in IRL instead of looking through the cameras while I'd be messing up at. But yeah, like I was saying, it might be like a wiring problem, like somewhere back here, not with these wires that I've done. Because the lock switch, it'll work, but it won't push the locks up all the way. I have to like keep pulling it for it to go all the way up, and when I hit lock, it won't go all the way down. Now, it won't do nothing right now because something is draining. Something's draining the car battery. So I got my jump box right here. Pretty good jump box. It jumps out. It lasts a while too. It'll start the car right up. So yeah, got the jump box, and I got one, well, let me go ahead and grab both of them so y'all see. I got two new lock switches. We're gonna be putting them on both the driver and the passenger side. Then I'm gonna jump the car off and we're gonna see what happens. I need to get a battery charger. Now, like I said before, I needed to invest in jack stands. Went to my dad's shop, grabbed some jack stands. I should have grabbed the jump box while I was at the shop, but I don't know what's draining the battery. And it didn't happen until like a week or two after I've done like the radio and the speakers. Like, you feel me? After I put the radio in, the car battery wasn't draining. Now it's draining instantly. Like, I just went and got this battery a couple days ago. Then right after I say like that day after I got that new battery I put in here, it died. So like I said, I don't think it's my radio. For one, I unplugged the radio, so the radio's not even plugged in, the EQ's not plugged in, none of that stuff. So I really don't know what's draining my battery right now. I haven't done too much really. Steering wheel, window switch, radio, the EQ's unplugged, radio's unplugged. I changed a couple bulbs. That could be it. Could be one of these bulbs. I don't know. I'm gonna have to figure it out. I don't know why my battery keeps draining, but that's something I have to figure out. Now, this video should be pretty quick, because the only thing we're gonna be doing is jumping out the car and then switching out these window switches. Now, even if this switch is still good, I'm gonna keep these switches regardless. You feel me? I'm gonna keep this one and the passenger side. I'm gonna keep both of them regardless, but I just wanted to go ahead and switch them out. For one, I got this pack. This was a 2-pack I got for $20, bro. I haven't found no parts that cheap for none of my old school cars, neither one of them. You feel me? So the fact that I got this 2-pack, basically $10 a piece, got this 2-pack for $20, and I think I had to pay like a couple dollars for shipping. I got it off Amazon, and I don't know if they still have the 2-pack, because they've been having like 1-packs for like $40 something, and I found this 2-pack on there for 20 bucks. So I went ahead and copped it. You feel me? But yeah, like I said, this should be pretty quick. I'm gonna use my trim popper, try to pop them off. Hopefully I don't have to take the whole door panel off to get these switches off, because if so, that's gonna be a headache. getting them off and getting them back on, because I don't want to break no clips. Them clips are already really brittle. But like I said, y'all hit that like button for me, subscribe to the channel if you're new, turn that post notification bell to all, that way y'all be notified every time I drop. And we finna get right into it, so catch y'all in 1 second. Alright y'all, so I'm gonna try and prop y'all up like this. Hopefully y'all, I don't make y'all fall, but yeah, I'm gonna use this little corner and trim popper, try to get up in it and then pop it up. Yep, it worked. So I didn't have to get the whole door panel off. Got it. And it looked like it's the same plug, so let me go ahead and grab one of these, open it up. Now I gotta make sure I remember to put it back in. Like, look at that brand new part, just make it look a lot better, bro. Look at that old part that's, you feel me, sun damaged compared to the new part. Look at that. It's the little things, I'm telling y'all, it's the little things that really matter with this car stuff that I've been noticing. It's the little things. So I hope this will stay in there, because this got an extra little piece right here, unless this piece come off. I don't know. Let's just unplug it real quick. Let me grab a trim popper again. Trying to make sure I don't break this plug too. I should grab my little flathead. I'm trying to be as careful as possible, y'all. Real careful. I'm trying to make sure I keep it straight too, so that way I know how the new one go in. This way. And just plug and play. That's all it is, y'all. You see, just plug and play. And then push it on down. It look like it's right. Put this back there. Now look at that. New part. Look 1,000 times better, bro, compared to the old one. And this one's in there. It ain't gonna go nowhere. So it clicked right on in. Like I said, I'm gonna keep these though, these old ones, just in case if they're not bad. I can always have them, or if somebody want to buy them, I can sell them. But I just want to keep them just so I can have them, really. But let's go ahead and try to jump the car. So let me sit y'all down one more time really quick. Put y'all on me. Put y'all on me, you feel me? Go ahead and grab this jump box. I took this from my dad. He know I got it, but you feel me? My dad, he got everything, you feel me? So I just, if I need something, I just call him, tell him what I need, and he'll bring it to me, or I go get it, you feel me? So, yep, little jump box. That's all it is. Just a little jump box. You can charge your phones. It got a flashlight. Man, some companies need to start sponsoring me, bro. I got all these products from these companies and stuff without being sponsored, bro, and I'm giving them free publicity. I need to be sponsored. Let's try and jump this car out though. Ooh, my bad. I almost dropped y'all. Sit y'all up. Alright, see what we got. Hopefully we got at least enough power to see if this unlock gonna work. Let's see if it, oh yep, see? The switches, I just need a new switch. Look, door unlocked now. Is it locked all the way? Nope, but let's see if it go up. And then see if it, oh. Yep. So I just need a new switches, so I was right. Y'all wanna hear it crank? Let's see if we can crank it up. Up, not charged enough. don't think I turned it all the way on then. Jump pack not all the way on. Okay, y'all see the jump pack is on. Alright, the voltage not reading now. Alright, hold on. I'm trying to do this one-handed. It's not working. There we go. Make sure this is on. Let's try and fire the car up to y'all. Let's go ahead and see what we can get. Alright, it's charging. Yeah, my jump pack not strong enough right now, but well, it's dead again. I'm gonna have to charge the car battery, but you know what? I'm gonna take it off and we're gonna go ahead and put that other switch on. So it was my switches that was bad. Now that we know that, you feel me, we good money. I'm gonna take this off, then we're gonna try and start it in a second. Take it off. We good money now. So at least I know it was just the switches, you feel me? New switch on there. So yeah, that's a good thing. At least we know it wasn't no wire shortage. My switch is working now. So let's move on to this side and see what we can get done. Dang, this one came out a lot easier than the other side. Y'all not focused. Zoom y'all in a little bit. There y'all go. I'm so happy, y'all. I'm like I said, I'm starting to really enjoy this car so much, bro. Like I'm just falling in love with this car a lot more. Like I don't really know how to explain it, bro. It's like that first I liked this car at first, like I really wanted this car at first, but now if somebody like came to offer me money, I don't think I could ever get rid of it. Like no amount of money. At first I couldn't bring myself to get rid of it. At first I really didn't want it, to be honest, because I was only a Buck Chevy type of guy. Like I only wanted box Chevys. But now that I have this Cutlass and it's back with me and I'm able to do work with it, and I know it runs and drives and you feel me, that type of stuff. Put this new switch on. There we go. Like I said, my battery dead, so I'm gonna have to go get my dad's battery charger. But other than that, man, old switch, new switch. And y'all can see this one, it's peeling. Y'all see it? This one peeling. So we got new switches on the car now. Like I said, I'm gonna keep these old switches. I'm gonna put them in my glove box. And my dad, before he parked this car, he was in the middle of trying to put popper on his, I think he said he was putting them on his trunk, on the trunk of this car, and he never finished it. So that's one thing I do want to have, that I can just come in here and press there, you feel me, in my trunk pop. But I also got to put the rear view mirror back up, but I want to get a new one because as y'all can see right there, got a little bit of material. Y'all see me in the camera. Yes sir, yes sir. Today was a good little dub, you feel me? I'll figure that out in a second. Yeah, but yeah, like I said, new switches on the car. I forgot y'all was still zoomed in. New switches on both sides, man. Like I said, y'all let me know what y'all think about them. I think the car is coming out fantastic. But yeah, let me go ahead and clean up, then I'm gonna try and jump the car and we're gonna see what we can get from there. All right, y'all, so like I said, I wanted to give y'all a quick little cold start before I end this. So let's see what we can get. and get us a quick little cold start. See if we can get us a cold start. Yeah, I don't think I charged up the battery pack. That gotta be what it is. If not, it ain't getting a good connection. And the battery pack's on 3. I'm just not getting a good connection or something. Only got 6.5 volts as of right now. Read. Turn it on. Let's try again. I hope this ain't no dud, bro. I want to get y'all a cold start. There you go. There we go. Take this battery charger off. It's gonna die out. Yep. Because it still needs to go back to the shop. Go ahead and take this off though. Well, at least y'all heard it run for a quick second. But man, like I said, I'm starting to fall in love with this car. A lot more, bro. Make sure that's locked. Lock it up. Yeah, like I said, I'm falling in love with this car so much, bro. Like I'm really enjoying this car. I really love this car. I really like this car a lot. Even though I know it's a lot I gotta do, a lot of money is gonna have to be spent, I'm still enjoying this car, you feel me? So regardless of, like, the main thing is, I just want my dad to be able to look at this car and be like, dang, that was my car. Look what you've done to my car, son. I'm proud of you. You feel me? It's like little stuff like that that really makes my day, you feel me? Makes me enjoy what I do. So other than that, man, I appreciate y'all for tuning in, man. Y'all hit that like button for me, subscribe to the channel if you new, turn that post notification bell to all. That way y'all be notified every time I drop. Hope y'all enjoyed this little video. All we did was really change the switches on the car. Ain't too much of a hard video. Trim poppers worked. I thought I was gonna have to take my whole door panel off. I'm glad I didn't have to. And yeah, hopefully the dude come and pick up the car so we can go ahead, get the fuel tank put on, and then get my tags on it, start driving it. You feel me? Other than that though, man, like I said, I appreciate y'all for rocking with me. I love y'all. And if it wasn't for y'all, man, I wouldn't keep doing it. Keep doing this, you feel me? I would have probably been gave up by now. But yeah, like I said, appreciate y'all for watching. It's gonna be that's gonna be the end of this one. And I'll catch y'all on the next one.